Just popping in to do a quick video, read the coaches combine. For those of you who are involved with TOPSTEPTRADER, you'll probably know that the TOPSTEPTRADER coaches, John Hoagland, Danny Hodgman, and Mick's not involved. Danny and John Hoagland, who you can see here on the screen, they are the coaches at TOPSTEPTRADER, and they help traders to improve their performance, their trading performance. And they've got lots of history. You'll see over here, John Hoagland, 34 years of futures trading experience, on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange for 20 years, blah, 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 migrated in 2009. Passionate about helping traders, market profile, technical analysis, auction theory, volume and order flow he uses. His trading expertise is that. Mick Hieronymo, you can read that, pause it. They're all really involved in trading for many years. Danny Hodgman the same. Clerked on the floor of the Chicago Board of Trade from 2007 to 11, checking trades. He went on to serve in the Marine Corps, sharpening his discipline, which he afterwards incorporated into trading options and cash spreads with a small proprietary trading firm until 2017 before joining TOPSTEPTRADER as a performance coach. So all great on paper, and they've given me advice, but what I can't get over is they're in a combine. Number one, they wouldn't allow me and my partner to do a joint combine the way they have, but that's besides the point. The main thing is they're in a 50K combine and they're $300 away from hitting the max drawdown. So you can see here, if I zoom in, their max high was, they got up to 50. They had a pretty bad start in terms of equity. They dropped down from 50,000 and they went to a low of 48,640. Right, and their max drawdown, where is their max drawdown now? Just a second, can't find it. Yeah, there. They can't go back down pretty much below 49,000, let's say, because their high was 51,000, and they're in a 50K. But their account low was 48,640, and they came down here from 50,000, so they went into approximately 2/3 of their drawdown, or thereabouts, 2/3, 3/4, because 48 would be their max drawdown from the beginning. Then they came all the way up to 51,000, and now they're all the way back down to 49,300. So they've dropped off $1,700. Now, you don't have to do that if you know how to manage risk. And so that leads me to ask the question, what are they doing, and how valid is whatever they're going to share with people if they can't practice what they preach? I mean, a drawdown is one thing, but 1,700 is a steep drawdown when you can risk $50 a trade easily in pretty much not any of the futures markets, but $50, $60 tops, $100 tops. So you would want to lose 17 trades in a row at $100 a pop to draw down 1,700. And this just leads me to ask the question, what's going on? I mean, I don't mean any disrespect, but if they can't pass a combine, how in the hell do they expect others to pass a combine? And more so, what are they doing charging others to help them pass combines when they can't do the same? They've been in this combine for at least, I would say, 3 months. We'd have to check, all the we're on the hashtag coaches combine. So maybe if we scroll all the way down, no, they don't have that. So we can't tell when they began. But if we dug around, I know that they're definitely over 10 weeks, way over 10 weeks on the combine. They started way back. It's got to be a good 3 months. And that's slower than I did it. And I'm not claiming to be a coach or anything like that. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, what are they doing? What's happened? What's happened to throw them off? And this doesn't fill me with a lot of confidence in going to them to get coaching skills, because I'm doing far better than they are. And the majority of people who pass the combine have performed much better than they've performed. So I'm just throwing this out there for people to keep up with the journey, keep up with what's going on at TOPSTEPTRADER. They do have a good company, I like them a lot, but I'm more than a little concerned at their performance after so many months. And fair enough if you can't hit the target, but why are you drawing down and hitting the max? They haven't yet, but why draw down so deeply into your max trading drawdown? Why aren't you managing risk? This is my question to them. Because if you're managing risk short of some kind of flash crash or black swan event, you really shouldn't be hitting that trailing max drawdown. Even if you tread water for the longest time like I have with the FTP. I'm on day 60, I think, of the FTP, but I'm heading towards the target. For a while I was treading water and now I'm heading towards the target. But why are you hitting that max daily maximum drawdown, max trailing drawdown? That's my question to the guys at TST. This was just a quick video to share this with you all, and I'll be back as and when I see fit with more on my trading. So that's it for now. Back when I'm back.